Tip top trippers, my name is Donato and welcome to my latest video where I'm here at the Derby half marathon. Oh yes, let's ho and let's go. But before I get into the detail of this wonderful race video, I'd really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, because it really does help this channel. Thank you so much. Let's go. Yes guys, welcome. I'm here in the centre of Derby in England, UK, and for the Derby half marathon, can't wait. It is proper brass monkey weather here right now, and so you might hear me talking very quickly, very fast, and because I just want to get things done, and it's great to be here. So yeah, what have we got? What are you going to be expecting? Let me take you back to this time yesterday morning. Yeah. Good morning folks, it's Saturday 8 AM, day before race day, and yeah, storm whatever it's called, Arlem, I can't remember the name of it, where it can go. Yeah, heavy snow here, and so no training running this. Very disappointing. It's still snowing heavily, and it's just going to continue this way. The temperatures are going to drop tonight, so I can't see any way this is going to clear. Hopefully, I've heard friends up north, they haven't had snow, so it seems to be snowing down the south here in UK. Well, I say south, I mean I'm in Birmingham, Midlands. Derby is a little bit further up and they got a mix of rain and snow, but let's see what the update is. But it doesn't look hopeful at all, which is greatly disappointing. But hey, these things happen. If I was a member of a gym, I'd just drive down to the gym now and do a bit of a treadmill workout, but I'm not. So yeah. Damn snow. Give you an update later. So yes guys, this time yesterday morning, back at home, which is about 70 odd miles from here, it was pretty heavy snow. We had Storm Arwen, which was hitting us from, I think it was Thursday, Friday, hit us yesterday. Heavy snowfalls, strong winds, but the wind seems to have gone, but it's still -2 here right now. -2. Oh, like I say, proper brass monkey weather. But it's time for me to head over back to the van, get changed into my gear, special gear, and get ready for this race, because it starts at 9:15, which is not long to go. So I'm back in my van, and I'm filming on my mobile phone because this thing's given up the ghost. It's just not switching on. I don't know what's happening, whether the battery's gone flat, or sometimes it doesn't connect correctly, but the battery was showing fully charged. It might be the extreme weather conditions. It can't cope with this minus. You would think it'd be able to cope with -3 degrees Celsius, but obviously it can't. So unfortunately I'm not going to be able to film the race. So I've got a special outfit that I'll be running in, and I'll show you that later. But I'm just going to go out there, have a bit of fun. Whilst I have ran in this type of temperature before, done training runs, I've not raced in below 0 conditions, 0 Celsius conditions. So this is going to be new for me. I'm going to have so many layers on, double socks and all that jazz. So yeah, it's a bit unfortunate that this camera's not working. It would have been fun, but my hands are already feeling very cold, so I don't know how much filming I would have been able to do anyway, switching it on and on. But yeah, what to do, eh? What to do? Catch you in a minute. Well, I've just been out back into the centre because it's so cold. I thought I'd better get in. Warning, maybe too much detail for some of you. Number two poo. Yeah, so I did one earlier this morning because I've been up since 5 AM this morning. It's now coming up to 25 to 9, so I quickly went in. Long queues already for the toilets, as you can imagine, for a race. So I thought I'd better get in early, get it done. So you're probably wondering what's the outfit I've got. Well, obviously, I say obviously, I'm trying to find something that I can hold. Where have I put it? Oh, here it is. Anyway, so yeah, special outfit because it's coming up to that time of year. Is that a bit of a clue? Yeah, so yes, Santa hat. I'll be putting a full Santa suit on for this race, so it might be a bit fortuitous that it's below zero, because running in this outfit can probably get a bit hot, especially for a half marathon. So I'm looking forward to this. I hope you are too. And yeah, let's get changed and crack on. Ho, 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 I'm all robed up. Yes, here I am, full gear. Yes, you can see. And I got my New Balance Rebel V2. This is the first time I'll be running in these in some form of anger racing. But anyway, let's head over to the race start and get moving. I need to do some stretching as well. Oh man, that was so super tough. In a way, I'm glad the GoPro wasn't working, because I felt sick. I was overheating. From about mile 5, I felt like throwing up. I had a gel with me, but there's no way I was taking that gel. And but yeah, it's done. I'll give you a bit more of an update once I recover. But hey, look who's here! None other than Colin. How you doing, buddy? Well, ho, 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 I'm back in the van. I just realised I need to do a little bit of a cool down run, so I'm going to have a little jog around the car park and I'll be back. Oh yes, cool down run done. Well, I say cool down run, I just run around the car park and there's lots of icy patches, so I thought, no, let's come back in. So I've just done a bit of stretching, static stretches. Yeah, as I said at the finish here, I found that distance. That's the first time I've ran a half marathon, raced it since the marathon, since summer. The big half was my last half marathon. Running in this outfit, I think I had too many layers on. I was literally overheating and felt like throwing up by about mile 5. So I was literally just hanging on then to do that. I still think whatever bug, virus I've got, I can't breathe as easily. At the end of the day, it takes time for flu to clear, but hey, no excuses. I still think fantastic time. It was around 1:31 something. I can't remember exactly the time, but super happy with that. I mean, not bad for a 60-year-old dressed in a Santa outfit that was overheating. But anyway, I'm going to get changed now and I'll do a quick finish update. Catch up in a minute, okay? So guys, I'm all watered, fed and everything. It was fabulous to catch up with the dynamic duo, twin turbo, Colin and Keith Johnson. We had a nice Costa there, so thank you for that coffee, guys. And yeah, I'm heading back now to the car. In summary, what a brilliant event it was, and big thank you to all the volunteers and workers out there, because for me, whilst I overheated because I put on far too many layers, it was -2, -3 Celsius this morning. And for those guys to be out standing at those points volunteering, a big salute to all of you, as I nearly get run over by a mobility scooter. Anyway, the joys of walking in the centre of towns. But it's an absolutely beautiful event. I'd highly recommend it. I think it's back. I did get a text message. I think it's back in June next year. So that'll be one I need to look at my schedule, but I'm hoping to come back. So I hope you enjoyed this. It was obviously not the scheduled thing that I did have, but technology, what to do, eh? So we use what we can when we can, and I've always got my phone with me, so hence you've got this. So thumbs up, subscribe, see you all at the next video, and I'll be publishing coming up yeah, the park run that I done, because I got a lot of catching up to do and all that jazz. So the park runs, the week update and so on and so forth. So yeah, looking forward to that. In fact, you might get a weekly update before this. Bye bye guys, love you all. Bye bye.